Hi guys, so this is just a short announcement video to say that my brand new ebook is out. It is with mixed feelings of humbleness and excitement that I released Landscape Composition 2. And just like Landscape Composition 1, it's a PDF file, ebook, with 10 different subjects on composition that I find to be very, very important. This ebook is a continuation of the first ebook, but it completely stands on its own terms also. So you can definitely get Landscape Composition 2 without having the first one, Landscape Composition. The topics I'm going to cover in this one is focal length, fill the frame, horizontal or vertical, break the horizon, central composition, off-center composition, separation, repeating patterns, geometry, motion, and a final chapter where I bring everything together and use all the topics I have used or talked about in the ebook and analyze some of my own photos. This ebook is 149 pages long, so it is quite a lot longer than the first one, but I found that the topics needed more explanation. So even though there is more text in this ebook, it is still very much designed to be very easy to understand, and I have of course plenty of examples, one or more on each page for whatever it is I'm talking about. As with the first ebook, there is of course also a free light version with this one here. If you are subscribed to my newsletter, you should already have received it. If you haven't, be sure to check your spam folder or promotion folders, because maybe all my newsletters end up there. If you're not subscribed to my newsletter, there is a link down in the description of this video where you can download the light version. There are of course also links to the two full versions. So that was all for now, just a little announcement. Next week's video, I'm not sure if there will be one or two, but I've been out 2 mornings in a row. I've been up at 4 in the morning to get out and catch the sunrise. I have had magical conditions both mornings, but with a little bit of landscape photography frustration. There's a little teaser to one of the videos here in the background that will be out next week. So thank you so much. Be sure to check out the links down in the description.